Hello everyone, welcome to new weekly overview guys. آخر 4 أسابيع الويكلي overview hit big بنوفمبر الماضي بشكل كتير كبير. نتائج كانت سوبر بتعقد فيها. Make sure إن انتوا كمان تطلعوا فيها. So hello everyone to our new weekly overview for this week. November was amazing. 4 weeks the weekly overview hit big and it was really amazing as a result. Make sure to follow this weekly overview. Put your studies aside. حطوا الدراسات تبعكم على جنب. Go to investing.com. If you don't have the paid plan with TradingView, go to investing.com. روحوا على investing.com إذا ما عندكم paid plan مع TradingView. Every study I do now, you transmit it the same way on your investing.com account for free. It's for free and you can save it. You can save Euro USD, you can save Bitcoin, you can save US30, all the studies, so you can follow up during the week how the movement is going and to be more, to increase your skills more when it comes to trading and to analyzing the market. So don't forget, when I say buy or sell after wick, this means that we must wait a wick or a shadow to be formed, and then we can put the order, not before. Because if you put the order before, it may go up, take the order, and then move down. When there is no wick, this means that there is no liquidity grab. There is a high probability it will go down again to do this wick, and then your trade will be under risk. من هيك بقول لكم اذا في wick او shadow بحط after wick، هذا الشيء بيعني ما تحطوا الاوردر قبل ما يكون في wick او shadow انعمل، لحتى تقدروا بعدين ترجعوا تحطوا الاوردر، لانه ممكن اذا حطيتوا الاوردر دغري بيطلع بياخده وبينزل تيعمل الويك بيضرب لكم stop loss. So we must be very careful. And when I put buy or sell normal or after wick, this means this is a buy stop or a sell stop. When I put sniper entry, this is a buy limit or sell limit. Okay, limit orders for snipers, stop orders for normal buy and sells. Okay, one more thing I need to add for new people. If you want only to take TP1, this is your choice. If you want only to hit TP1, to take TP1, your stop loss will not be the same, will not be the stop loss of the swing I sent, okay? It should be a stop loss for the scalp, which means for the TP1. So you must check the candle before or the same candle wick, and then you put your stop loss based on it. If you are willing to take TP2, TP3, and TP4 mainly, you keep the same stop loss of the SL swing, the stop loss swing. So الاشخاص بدهم يكونوا عم بيحطوا ستوب، بدهم ياخذوا بس التيك بروفيت 1 اول نتيجه. منكم ما لازم تحطوا ستوب لوس هو ذاته اللي بعته انا بالشيت اللي هو ستوب لوس تبع السوينج، لانه ستوب لوس تبع السوينج هو للتيك بروفيت تبع السوينج، الريسك تو ريورد ولا بيكونوا مضعضع. سو بدكم تاخذوه، بدكم تحطوا ستوب لوس تبع السكال، بتشوفوا الشادو تبع السيم كاندل مثل ما علمناكم، او بتشوفوا الشادو تبع الكاندل اللي قبلها على ال 50 على ال 30 minute. you manage your risk على lower time frame. Okay, so you can have this. Here you have to think, you have to be smart. I'm doing this just to give you a direction, to educate you, because all what we do here is to educate, and then you can manage how things happen. So let's start without being late. We have what do we have this week? Monday we have the BOC government speak in Canada at 11 p.m. All these timings here are Dubai time. Okay, it's UAE time. So in which country you are, make sure to check. This is GMT +4. So for example, in Lebanon and Jordan, it's GMT +2. So you have to go back 2 hours less. Okay, so we have 11 p.m. BOC governor. We have 12 a.m. man, it's 10 p.m. and it's closing. It's Monday at the close of the US market. We have the Fed chair Powell speaks, and wow, we should have a move during the night. لازم يكون عندنا حركة عشية، ما تنسوا الأوقات كلها وقت دبي. So we have Canadian GDP, it's 5:30 p.m. Dubai time. We have Fed Chair Powell testify at 7. We have ADP. Oh, next week, guys. Next week. Non-farm, guys. Next week is the non-farm day. So it's the non-farm week. Yalla, let's get ready for next week. It will be a nice week, hopefully. The Fed shall power testify. Wednesday, we have OPEC meeting. This will affect hugely the oil price and the Canadian dollar price. Okay, we have also, it's a big week for Canadian. Wow, it's a big week. Next week, it will be very volatile for the USD CAD. Unemployment rate, employment change, and of course, Friday, December 3, we have the non-farm employment change. I will check how I will do it. I won't be here in the office because we will have an event. راح يكون عندنا event ل3 4 5 الأسبوع الجاي مع رجا هون بدبي with Raja in here in Dubai. So I doubt that I will be here, but I will make sure to open my live session and to try to trade the US 30 during the non-farm time. Okay. So a big week ahead for the Canadian, for the USD dollars. Let's check the big fall, the start of the big fall of the US 30 so far. Guys, I'm so concerned. كتير عتلين هم صراحة about the US economy. I really doubt that we will, and not the US only, the global economy. 2022 will be a hard year for people all over the world. I don't know how much they will keep it, but for me, we are ahead of a big financial crisis. This financial crisis has been delayed many times because of printing money, because of printing fake dollars, fake euros, and I believe that we are going to this crash very soon. I cannot exactly say what will happen, but 2022 hopefully won't be the week of the year of the start of this crash. When I say crash, it will be gradually 5% down, 15% down, and we might reach at the middle maximum, maybe before, at the middle of 2022 or during 2022, a 60% drop. We must be careful. We as traders, we must benefit from this, but we must be careful. Always, guys, put your stop loss. Always put your take profits, okay? Never do less than this. So the US 30 hit down after it broke the support level. It was a very nice support level at this level, 35,470, and it went down. Wow, 35,400 to 34,700 one day. It was a big fall. Let's clean up this sheet to know what will happen next. Okay, we have a next direction now. It will be this support area. Look what support area. We might reach this 33.84, but now it closed at the bottom. So let's see on Friday, on Sunday night, Monday morning, if it will resume the fall. Daily, it's so bearish, guys. So I prefer, let's go to the 1 hour. خلينا نروح على الساعة لأنه هلا عندها نزلة بعد أكتر ممكن تنزل. خلينا نروح على الساعة. It's a very bearish sign. This is a rejection. Wow. Normally it should retrace up to 35. We will get the two scenarios, but let's start with the first scenario. We need a candle to open and then to move up. If there is no wake up, بدنا تفتح هيدي الكاندل بدها تطلع طلوع الشادو. إذا ما في wake أو shadow up, there is no sell, guys. Okay, no sell if there is no up. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we need this wick to be formed up, and then we will have a sell. Around 546 pips. My stop loss will be at 100 pip, but be careful. I will repeat. انتبهوا، بده يفتح يعمل liquidity grab up shadow up، من بعدها بتحطوا الاوردر. It should open, make a wick up, a serious wick up, because the market has been going down a lot, so you must be very careful with this. We might see a big retracement up, and then the sell will be at 34687 34687 34607 و67 بيكون التي بي 1. هيدي التي بي 1 سكالب 20 نقطة حتى فيكم تاخدوها. It's on almost 20 pips. You can take it even 15 pips. The TP 1 scalp after it does the wick. Okay, and TP 2 34,605, TP 3 34,495, TP 4 34,256. Okay. Of course, if you put your stop loss, the TP1, your stop loss should be less than 90 pips, okay? And then if we have a turn up this way, because here on the 30 minutes, we are starting like divergence. Long position at this level, okay? We have to check the candle, by the way, how the candle is moving, okay? Not just like this, we just go. If the candle moved one way up, we should be very careful. So for the buy, it will be at 35,186 35,186 35,200 تي بي 1 35,262 تي بي 2 35,346 تي بي 3 والتي بي 4 بيكون لل 35,436 and this is all we also to check with the Fibonacci retracement. Look, we have 38.2 at this level. So once breaking the 38.2, it should go up. Okay, it should go up. And the last TP I put, which is the 61.8, it's exactly how we are working. Perfect, perfect, guys. So last TP will be 35,417. 35,417 التي بي 4 آخر تي بي بدنا نكون عم ناخده. بالنسبة للجولد، let's see, gold, also gold, trying to move down. Let's see gold. Gold on a daily basis. Breaking his support level. إذا كسر الجولد هذا الليفل هون ليك كم stagnation ولا rejection عاملها. Okay, so we will have, and this is a trend line up, so it's breaking a very important level at this level. هون نشوف. Okay. So هيدي stagnation كمان هلا بنحكي عنها. يعني شبه تراينجل عم يعملها بالنزله، سو ممكن كمان يكسرها ويكمل نزله بالتراينجل. سو ليتس سي، اهم شغله اول شيء لما بتاخذوها يور ستوب لوس بده يكون عامل شادو اب وعم بيكسر داون. سو اول تي بي انتم اذا اخذتوا هيدي على 17 76 17 74 على اول 20 نقطه هيدي تي بي 1 17 67 تي بي 2 17 47 تي بي 3 و 17 23 تي بي 4. هلا if you want to take it as a triangle, okay, so the take profit will be so big and you can keep runners till 1552. Okay, but of course you have to stop here. You have a stop loss. You have a very strong support at this level. You have another support at this level. which is 16, 19, and you have support at 15, 60, 56. Look, it will be a target. So here, if we are really heading to a triangle, and you can write down here triangle إذا مظبوط هبقى أعمل triangle 1 2 3 1 2 3 تنشوف إذا راح بيكمل. سوري أنا رسمته غلط. I have 1 2 and 3. Sorry, this is a descending triangle because we start from the up. So if it hits this triangle, this means that we are in a bad situation. But to show, sorry, descending triangle, and we have to check below 1674. It will be a bit far, so we will check it in the future, okay? So we have a triangle forming on the daily, but at the same time, in this triangle, we can trade based on our trend line and support level, which is a very good support level. هلا for the buy, it will be a retracement up. We go to a lower time frame, which is the 1 hour here in this level. Okay, and we have to check if it breaks this level. We have a clean traffic on the left. This is a clean traffic with the support at this level. So we can buy, we can have a long position starting 18, 17, 54 till 18, 19, 18, 19, 15 pips first target, 18, 26 second target, 18, 32 third target, and the full target for me will be at 1837. Also, let's check Fibonacci. I think it did like 38.2. خلينا نطلع الفيبوناتشي. بعتقد انه عمل 38.2%، بس يمكن هلا يطلع فوق اكثر. Let's see. عمل على القد تلاقوا 38. Guys, it could be a very nice sell option 38.2. Look how it hit it exactly a retracement and then moved down. Make sure always also to check the Fibonacci retracement. It gives you a sniper entries. Okay. So US oil moving down big down, big fall for the US oil. After it hit this level, we had the sell. Also, it hit our sell. Let's see, and it's especially why it's going down the last day, because of the new lockdowns, guys. It's happening in Europe, the fifth wave. It's happening in the world, so people are afraid again from the COVID-19. خايفين العالم بلشوا يسكروا بأوروبا خفيف ويف بأمريكا يمكن يبلشوا بكندا عم بيعملوا restriction أكتر. So the oil price are draining down, are falling down big. Yesterday was a big fall, guys. Big fall for the US oil. Now we are in news again, so we have to be very careful. Look, this double top, it went down, it retraced exactly, and then hit the full target. And you can see, despite all the news, مثل ما تشوفوا بغض النظر عن كل الأخبار, our technical system is working perfectly. Even if you don't hear any news, our technical system is working super perfectly. So far, after this big fall, we have a 74%. Wow, it hit exactly the 74% and retraced. It was a nice sniper entry. But now, actually, after this and after we have a big week for oil, I think I won't do any study on US oil because it's very, very, very risky. We will follow up during the week, but let me tell you something. We have an option for a buy. Let's not be that skeptical. we have an option for buy. If we break this resistance being 4 عندنا اوبشن للشروه بلا ما نكون هالقد خويفين. اذا كسر هيدي up again بعد هيدي النزله، اذا كسرها وعمل retracement up so we can scalp it. في يكون عندنا scalp trade long position. اوكي stop loss على 30 نقطة، بس نتأكد من الكاندل اللي قبلها و 69.70 69.70 الانتري 69.90 TP1 20 pips and then 70.27 TP2 70.86 TP3. We have a clean traffic till 72 almost to have our TP4, so you can manage based on the down move or downfall that can be done. Okay, here you can put your resistance level to check exactly also where to go out. Okay, so your TP1 is at 20 pips, TP2 74.45, TP3 71.50, and TP4 it can be 72.58, but it all depends also on what will happen during this week. As for the sell, I won't go for any sell so far. Bitcoin hitting big our target, TP2 100 pips for the last week. It was on Friday the hit. USD is getting stronger. Everything is falling against it. And let's see, Bitcoin now. It should retrace. It's retracing already up after all this fall down, breaking this support level. We were saying that breaking this support level will mean that it will resume till this level, at least 53,293, and then it hit almost this level, but we can still see a big fall, guys. We can still see a big fall. Look, this clean traffic at the left. ده ممكن بعد تكمل نزله ويكون عندها نزله كتير قويه. طلعوا على الكلين ترافيك اللي عنده اياها على ميل الشمال البيتكوين، في مجال تكمل نزله. So if it is creating a wake up and then it breaks 52,233، اذا كسر 52,233 في مجال كتير كبير ننتقل بالسل لهيدي المرحله. Let me show you this. Can check where the stop loss exactly. إذا عملت ويك وكملت نزلة our entry will be 52,099 و 52,100 TP1 51 52,166 51 600 and then TP2 will be here. Sorry, I'm checking things without drawing because it's visual. عم شوف أنا يعني بدغري بس برسم السطر بعيوني. So TP2 50,560, TP3 will be 46,000 and then TP4 will be this level اللي نحن حاطينه هون around 41,488. أنا personally half of أكتر بعتقد 60% of my portfolio I'm out from Bitcoin so far, and then I left a bit هو الخصوص اللي تحت على 30,000 وغيرها. so البقايا I took profits. عم بحكي بالريل wallets مش trading عادي. and then I still have 40% and I have my stop loss to check them. stop loss يعني visual يعني بظهر منه. So this is it for here. GJ, GPP, JPY. Let's see GJ also falling and took our profits. It was an amazing Friday, Black Friday, exactly Black Friday. So let's see now a new study for GJ after breaking the support. بعد ما كسر هذا السبورت GJ تنشوف لوين بده يروح لوين بده يكمل. خلينا نطلع عليه مظبوط. هون كسر. It was obvious by the way, despite anything. That's why we have pre-orders, because we won't be able to check all the market to scan all the market in one time. من هيك بنحط البري اوردرز قبل بخصوص اللي ما حطهم. For people who didn't, for example, if you put like an order like on Monday, إذا حطيته order نهار الاثنين بس Tuesday, Wednesday you felt something different and you saw something different you didn't see it before, and then you can remove your order or even you can put it again. So إذا حسيتوا في شيء غلط أو في شيء بينكم وبين حالكم بالماركت ما عجبكم، فيكم تشيلوا هذا الاوردر تحطوا غير اوردرز أو تزيدوه. يمكن ما تكونوا حطيتوا استرلينيا قبل ترجعوا تحطوه نهار الاربعاء، مش غلط. اوكي بس اهم شغله to put all the orders، مش انه ننقي اوردرين ثلاثه and then نقول يي هول صابوا ستوب لوس الويكلي اوفر فيو. لا، الويكلي اوفر فيو وي هاف ذا جورنال عم نعملها نحن كل يوم كل اسبوع لحتى تبين كل الاوردرز. هي مهمه لانه هن مثل ما بيقولوا بيجمعوا على بعضهم بين خساره وبين ربح. So now GJ, we have a big support at this level. You have to be very careful from the support. 149, it's going back, guys, down. This was the big support that you wanted to have. Wow, wow, wow. What a fall for the GJ. What a fall. It's all about, let's see. It should resume up, make a shadow up. Let's go to the lower time frame, to be honest. Wow, it's tracing already. The buy on GJ was here. 451. Look. Every time you have this cup, it's like a cup, or you have this resistance level area, and then you have a shadow. Look, we have low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then it broke up. عنا low, low أعلى, low أعلى, low أعلى, وكسرها هيدي up. Usually, always, this is a buy option for the price action. Now we will have to see, especially we have a divergence. Look, on the 1 hour, we have a very clean divergence. عم بعمل هول لو حتى كانوا صاروا بس لتعرفوا لبعدين، دايما تتعلموا لبعدين كيف تعملوهم. Clean divergence, breaking up. This is a non question buy at 151.20. It should have been like up. Now if it makes a shadow down, إذا بتعمل shadow down أو wick down, if it makes a wick down and then it breaks this level, we are still in this trade for a buy. So we can have a 10 pips at least a scalp trade for this level. The entry will be at 47 or 48. Let's check. الفوتة بتكون هون بضل عنا option فيها stop loss only 10 pips. It's a scalp trade and the first target will be 10 pips, of course. It's 13 here, but it will be 10 pips to be on the safe side. We have a clean traffic. After wick, guys, again, listen to me very carefully. اسمعوني منيح. After wick, even if it goes up first and then move down, it's risky. So we have to have a wick down, new low, higher low, and then when it's moving up, my stop loss will be more safe. TP1, it will be, and my entry will be at 51.48, stop loss 38, take profit 160 maximum. For me, it's 58, 60 maximum. TP2 will be at 51.80. TP3 will be at 52 and TP4 will be at 52.36 as a retracement. I get my Fibonacci levels. I check 38.2. It's here. It's 151.87. Also, we must be very careful about this level, as we said. And it could be, for me, it should retrace, especially if it breaks the 23.6. إذا كسرت 23.6 already مع هيدي لازم نكمل ال 151 87 and it should be a very, very, very good trade. This is for the buy. Okay, as for the sell, also we have to check the market. We have to see if we have a wick up, and then this is the support level for the sell, and then we'll have this short position at this level. Very simple. Also 15 pips stop loss. Full target at almost 135 pips. So the sell 150.67 150.57 TP1 بيرجع عنا 150. Let's check here قدامنا لتكون واضحة. Level, we have this area خطرة. We have this area كمان مقبولة جدا and بيرجع عنا clean traffic. So عنا TP1 مثل ما قلنا، TP2 عنا إياه على 150.30، TP3 على 149.90 والTP4 على 149.33. هذه كتير مهمة للستادي اللي عم تنعمل. بالنسبة لليورو دولار expected انه تبلش طلعة، بلشت طلعة بعد ما وصلت تقريبا لل 111.84. خصوصي كنا عم نحكيها باللايف سيشن الخميس، بس الجمعة أنا ما كنت كتير قدام الشاشة، عملتها سريعا وسكرتها بس ما بعتناها. It's 112.51 كانت الكسرة تبعها، هيدي الريزيستنس الأساسية. And then it kept moving up till 113.33. هلا إذا كمان it's daily، طلع هون على الديلي we have a divergence. دايما احفظوا divergence guys. نازل already 500 نقطة تقريبا، قليل يعمل 500 نقطة بلا ما يعمل رد اليورو. لو شو ما كان، لو في انهيار. سو هون كمان حتى دبل بوتم عملها باي ذا واي على الديلي. السي سي اي الار اس اي طلعوا معي مزبوط. ار اس اي عامل دبل بوتم على الديلي انت كسرها كمان. it was a buy signal للاشخاص اللي بدهم يفوتوا فيها، لاحظوا. وهونيك عامل divergence هونيك. So we should keep moving up. Let's see لحديت وين المفروض يكمل طلعة. المفروض اليورو دولار يكمل طلعة لحديت تقريبا لل 44 هون. So see okay check all these guys all these. هلا هيك كسر كمان. So دايما افضل كتير هلا اليورو. رح نرجع هيدا المبدأ خلصناه. رح نرجع هلا في حال عمل شادو داون وعم بيرجع يكمل طلعة. You have another opportunity for a buy but this is a swing buy again. هلا فيكم اذا نزل فتح نزل دغري نزول ورجع من بعدها كمل طلع، فيكم تاخذوها من الواحد 13.06. You can start as 113.06 but to be more safe I will take the biggest one after it breaks the high. So and we will have a swing trade here almost like 40 pips. We will check where is the wick. بدنا نطلع where is the wick. So adjust guys، يعني عدلوا. هلا انا رح احط ستوب لوس مبدئي، بس لما بنشوف وين يعمل الشادو اذا كمل طلع بنحطه على كعب الشادو اذا الشادو كان تقريبا هون. and then we move up again. we have بعتقد let's check the Fibonacci. عندنا شي 1450. okay 38. okay we must be very careful. we have the 113.35 as entry. 113.45 اول شغله بتعملوها 10 بيبس بتامنوها اجباري لانه ممكن يضرب بال 38 and then move down. So we must be very careful. we have first our scalp trade and then if it breaks 38.2 we should see it moving up to 1.14. so TP2 will be 1.1380. TP3 1.14 and no TP2 sorry 1.14 1.1395. let's give 5 pips away. So and then we will have TP2 61.8 which TP3 144 1.1445 and TP3 which is wow. Here if it reaches this level one way it will be an amazing sell. Look at this level 79% with a strong resistance. If it moves one way up to 1.15 so it will be a sell at this level. Okay, so be careful about this. It will be a nice trade. As for the sell, if it resumes down, we have this level here. This level, if it breaks this level, we are still in the, by the way, in the daily head and shoulder. Don't forget, we have a daily head and shoulder. I deleted, but we are still in it. So, one, two, trace. Let's see, it's moving down. منه جامد كتير يعني بس انه شبه واضح. We have almost till 109. We have till 109 still. So if it retraced up and then moved down, let's see if it breaks هذا الليفل 1.11 70 المفروض يكمل أول تي بي 1 لل 1.11 60 بيرجع 1.10 70 تي بي 2 1.10 30 تي بي 3 وتي بي 4 1.09 80. ستوب لوس تبعنا بيكون على 1.12 26 112 26. okay رسمتها هي. see okay this level and this level 20. okay Okay, it's no 112. 20 maximum, but of course we must have a wick before. We must have a move down. For example, if this candle move down here and it's breaking, we don't take it. We wait this daily close, we wait a new open up, and then we move down. Of course, if the momentum is going so fast, then you can leave it. Okay, so this is Euro USD. We have GBP USD. Also GBP USD, it hit our sell. It's moving down. It should resume down if it doesn't break up. So let's do another study. We are here trying to retrace. Let's see if it will retrace as the GBP, especially with the situation now in Europe and in Great Britain. So if we break this high, okay, and we will have to see the wick or the shadow formed. If we break 133.70, we have 133.80 TP1, we have 133.95 maximum, 93 even TP2, 134.32 TP3, and 134.50 TP4. Okay, my stop loss, we'll check the wick or the shadow, or maybe if it's breaking up directly, we don't need more than 15 pips as a stop loss. Okay, it's a 15 pips stop loss. As for the sell, it will show easily here. Look, it's better to check it here on 4 hours. I think it will be a good buy, not good buy, good buy. Okay, so some people, it will be a good buy for their account if they increase lot size without risk management. So very critical situation for the sell, knowing that it should resume down, but the sell will be at 32.67, 32.60. Wow, let me check this here. It's very delicate situation. كتير دقيقة هون بدها تكون نحو هذا السبورت، بدنا نكون تحته. Okay, I won't sell before it breaks 132.58. Not this, not this, not this. Wait, not this. Okay, so if it breaks 132.58, stop loss 132.78. I won't make it big, to be honest. It should fall down directly. And 132.48 TP1, 132.40 TP3, and 1 TP2, sorry, 132.25 TP3, and let's see how much it can fall. This level, that's it. And 131.50, it will be TP4. Okay. Now, AUD USD. Opa, we are falling down. We are falling down, and this is why I always say you must give the second chance for the trade. On the weekly overview, we had stop loss for AUD USD and USD CHF and Euro, but always give it the second chance. Sometimes it hit the stop loss, but always give it the second chance. لو ضربت stop loss، إذا شفتوها عم ترجع تكمل نزلة، اعطوها second chance. Okay, because look guys, look why I'm saying this. Because it might hit the stop loss at the start for the first time, but for the second time, it will be a nice sell. It's exactly now on the support level. It's falling. Especially that we had this, you remember, had this flag. Wow. It's still working on this flag. Look. And it's still heading to the target of the flag. This is the target of the flag. So people who are taking this as a swing, as a flag, and you didn't put your stop loss here, your stop loss is high, it's 73.90. So you are still in the straight. For people who are not working on the flag, like the weekly overview I did, you are stopped out. Hopefully you took the second chance. إن شاء الله تكونوا أخدتوه. هذا الفلاج يبين إنه بعد عنده نزلة. We still have a down move to 0.69, let's say 0.70 to be on the safe side. بعده عم بيكمل نزلة و it should resume down. هلا بالنسبة للlower time frame AUD/USD شكله ما عم يقدر يهدي. شكله it will fall down. Let's see. But we must have a shadow up. It must open at the shadow up, and then if it is resuming down, we go with the trend. So if the trend is still bearish, so we go with the trend. This is a short position here. Choose with a 15 pips stop loss, and we resume down. Guys, you have to resume down. Okay. We can still catch this trade. Breaking this level 0.71, 0.7104, 0.7094 TP1, 0.7065 TP2, .7075 TP3, 0.7010 TP4. Okay, we should have a good fall. Now we don't know if it will retrace up before, but this is why we have our stop loss. Okay, it could retrace up before it keeps moving up, and that's why down, and that's why من هيك رح نكون عم نطلع شوي على هيدي الليفل. ننزل شوي بالتايم فريم نتفرج على هيدا الليفل. اوكي يسلم. حطوا هول الستاديز كلهم guys. Okay, so if it breaks 0.7138, 48 is our fourth target. It's 10 pips. It will be nice. Okay, and then TP2 will be 7160, TP3 no, TP2 will be 71, yes, 7165, TP3 will be 7189, and TP4 7210. Okay, option buy up. Come on. Should be okay. So good luck with this. And the D the same, and the D is creating now also creating also a triangle, if I'm not mistaken. Symmetrical triangle, and this is also a descending triangle at the same time. Almost descending triangle. We have to be careful. We must take straight. إذا تنتبهوا عم بيعمل descending triangle, so ممكن كتير بس يكسرها. And to hit this. Here, short position. Nice guys. Nice. This is 10 pips stop loss only, guys, on 30-minute candle, and you have 30 pips straight. 0.6803 the sell, 0.6893 TP1, and 0.6775 the full target. Okay, you can divide it 10 10 10. Let's go to the daily. Oh, also in the DUSD it hit. Wow, look, it was a descending triangle. 5 days last week. Moved down. Look, guys, look. Wow. This is study. This is science. If someone doesn't believe it's science, then he must not go and trade. It was descending triangle on NZD USD. 5 days, here we are. Actually, it was in the first 3 days. Okay, and here we are. Now on the support level, big support level. Wow. We might have a clean traffic till 0.6735. So let's see first how much it will go down. Let's stick to our cell, our normal cell. As for the buy, you must wait a break of this area. 0.6843 till 53. This is only a swing scalp trade. Buy 0.6843, 68.53, stop loss 33, 10 pips. Okay, only. of course it's up to you guys. اكيد هذا بيرجع الخيار لكم. فيكم تتركوها up، فيكم تتركوا تقسموا بعد 10 pips تحطوا stop loss entry. It is up to you. Okay. USD CAD. USD CAD. USD CAD trending guys. Look how you trade. كنا عم نحكي هذا الشيء بالفرايداي community call مع الكوميونتي. We were talking about this thing. So it's working perfectly based on the trend line. If you draw your trend line, you must go with the trade with the trend line, not against the trend line. بدكم تفوتوا بالتريدات مع الترند. يعني إذا كان طلع هون بتاخدوا باي لأنه باي up. إذا نزل هون عم بيرجع يلف تاخدوا باي. إذا نزل هون عم بياخدوا بيرجع باي. إذا نزل من هون عم بيرجع يطلع يكسر تاخدوا باي. ليه؟ لأنه trend up. You check the small trend line, the big trend line. If you go to the daily, same. You have a big trend line can up. كان داون كنا عم ننزل معه داون. بالاب تاخده بس على اللور تايم فريم بنفس الاتجاه لحتى ما تضيعوا، حتى ما تضيعوا. Okay, always work with the trend. The trend is your friend. Check. All these could be a buy. هيدي باي هون. Okay. هيدي هون كمان باي. Look هون عم تكسر. باي كسرت هالبارت اللي وصلت لهون. بيرجع من جديد لما كسرت اب هيدي كمان باي. تطلعوا على اللور تايم فريم تاخدوا البايات. So مع كل كسرات بتاخدوا باي انتم ماشيين مع الترند. This is the best way to be safe, to be secure, to secure your trade, not to lose money. Okay guys, if you really want to make money in this. Let's see دولار كندي. صراحة الدولار كندي I doubt انه هذا الاسبوع اعمل عليه study لانه في كتير نيوز عليه، كتير 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 مش نتفة. It will be so volatile. Let's see. هلا بالحالة الطبيعية طالما محافظ على الترند اب، طالما محافظ على الترند اب، اذا رجع نزل ضرب على الترند وعم يعمل ريتريسمنت اب ساعتها فيكم تاخذوه باي اجين. غير عن هيك I cannot say صراحة. رح اتركها هيدي، رح اتركها اليوم، ما رح اعمل دولار كندي. بنتابعه خلال الاسبوع، اصلا في كتير قصص هيدا الاسبوع الجاي لازم نتابع الماركت كتير وشو فولو اب ذا ماركت بشكل كتير قوي نكست ويك، لانه في كتير امور رح بتصير اون سبوت. USD CHF كمان رجع صاب لنا التيك بروفيت باي ذا واي ونزل، مع انه اول شيء صاب لنا ستوب لوس اول ما طلع نكزت عمل 9 نقط مش 10 حتى، فرقت على نقطه and then hit stop loss ورجع كمل طلع. This is why always I say second chance. كل اللي ضربوا لنا ستوب لوس بالسكند شانس صابوا التيك بروفيت طبعا. اوكي هلا هون سي اتش اف قوة الدولار ضعف مع انه وين ما كان ويرد. اوكي لانه سي اتش اف قوة ايه anyway ما بعرف ليه، ما بعرف ليه صراحة. So we have this level here USD CHF. Let's do a totally new study. You have this level at this level. Look والله level هذا level أكبر لهون. So mainly I have to wait. لازم انطر ياخد clean traffic تيكسر هيدا الليفل هون، يعني اعمل shadow up ويكمل نزلته يكسر هيدا الليفل هون. لو بدي احطه بس على 25 نقطة ستوب لوس يكسر 0.9182 0.9172 TP1 0.9152 TP2 0.9120 TP3 and 0.9090 TP4. This is for the sell. As for the buy, we are starting to have our buy on the 30-minute and 1 hour divergence. It's very critical. Damn, when it closes here, the worst case scenario for me, دايما أسوأ شيء عندي when it closes without a wick. It will be so confusing. But let's put this support level. Okay. Wow. It's so confusing, guys. And we have two big resistance level here and here. Do we have 10 pips? Let's see. If it's 50, 60, yes. Yes, we have this 10 pips. Okay, we can scalp it. But you have to be very careful. It's scalping, okay? It's not swing trade. Your stop loss will be at 9 pips. You have to check first. Without a wick, without a shadow, you can never take this trade. You have to check an open, US open. If it goes, the market open, if it goes up directly, we don't take it. We need the wick down. And then when it push the up, breaking 92.50, it will be an impulse entry, 92.51, full target 92.61 for me. It's only a scalp trade, okay? So guys, hopefully we'll have an amazing week for the next week. It will be an amazing week, not just with the weekly overview. راح يكون أسبوع كتير حلو مش بس بالweekly overview, but because we have a lot of news next week. So get ready for a big week next week, and especially news coming from COVID-19, the fifth wave in Europe and all over the world. It's coming very hard. The market will be so volatile. December, the first and second week will be super volatile. We can do all our profit in the next 2 weeks, and then we can check the last 2 weeks with Christmas and New Year when the volume goes down, what we will have. So ممكن نعمل profits تبعنا بأسبوع الجاي واللي بعده بديسمبر. So hopefully it will be amazing. And بنشوف آخر أسبوعين بين عيد الميلاد وراس السنة كيف رح بتكون الأمور. So have an amazing week. حطوا كل شيء قلت لكم إياه عندكم وأيدوه عندكم مظبوط, and hopefully you will have a great profitable week. See you guys.